My name is Sara Sayeg and I work in the London Center office. And today I'm going to be making scones. So this is about 350 grams of flour or 2 1/3 cup if you're using American measurements. So we're going to add a fourth teaspoon of salt to this and then a teaspoon of baking powder. So then you just mix this mixture up, add the butter to the flour. It still looks like flour, but it's a little, you can see kind of little chunks of butter still. So now we're gonna add, the 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the milk. So now you make a well in the flour and butter and now sugar mixture. I'm gonna pour the milk and vanilla and lemon, and then just start immediately you're just kind of cutting it in, as you can see. You're supposed to be not kneading it too much, you're just supposed to be patting it down then. There is one, there. So what I'm doing now is just taking the beaten egg here, which again you can't see because the lighting is so harsh, and I'm just using a brush. It's very small, but it'll do the trick to just brush the tops of the scones. I'm gonna put this in the oven, and you only really need to put them in the oven for 10 minutes, so it's nice and quick. This is what the finished product will look like, and it kind of is leaning a little bit, but
beautiful.
Yes, yeah. Nice little brown on top.
That looks amazing on top. It looks lovely.
Nice and golden brown.